तो इसके लोपा मैम के लिए सबसे ज्यादा तालियां बजी हैं यहाँ पे। वैसे मेरे ख्याल से हम ही लोग रह गए आपके और आपके डिनर के बीच में, तो ये लास्ट सेशन है, ज्यादा लंबा नहीं रखूंगा। और मुझे कहा गया था कि बातचीत करनी है टेक्निकल ब्रिलियंस और ह्यूमन जजमेंट के बीच। तो उससे एक ही चीज याद आती है कि हम सब ऑब्सेस्ड हैं इस समय ब्रिलियंस को लेकर, चाहे वो फास्टर प्रोसेसेस हो, स्मार्टर एल्गोरिथम्स हो। पर कभी कस्टमर सर्विस बॉट के साथ कोई प्रॉब्लम आ जाए और इंटरेक्ट करने की जरूरत पड़े, तब रियलाइज होता है कि ह्यूमन जजमेंट की क्या वैल्यू होती है। लोपा मैम हमारे साथ जोड़ रही हैं, जो कि यहां पे आप लोग के केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट में है, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर। लोपा मैम, कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है, कभी कस्टमर सर्विस बॉट के साथ पाला पड़ा हो और परेशान कर दिया उसने?
Of course, it happened. Before that, I just wanted to thank all of the students and you for arranging this lovely evening. So I think I have learned so much and looks like, I'm going back in that student time. Yeah, coming back to your question, see, I am extremely absent-minded. I don't know if any of the students are here to just, know that. So whenever this calls are there, they start telling 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 is these two. By the time it goes to 4, I already forget what is there in 3. So I think it's a bit non-human, very machine-like. So sometimes, of course, these automations are good, but sometimes I think it's a bit irritating. But I don't know, sometimes I feel that maybe with AI, there will be some more things going there. If I am forgetful, maybe they'll again remind, just like a human being, ma'am, are you okay? Are you with us? Do you remember the 4 option, what it says? That might be better. Yeah.
मैं आने से पहले लोपा मैम के बारे में देख रहा था, पीएचडी यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ आयोवा से। मैम, क्या होता है, सबकी एक स्पेसिफिक ह्यूमन मोमेंट होता है चाइल्डहुड में, जब वो रियलाइज करता है उसे क्या करना है। मेरे साथ तो ऐसा खैर नहीं हुआ, जैसे तो बहता चला गया मैं। लेकिन कहते हैं ना, और कार टूटी, उसने बहुत अच्छे से वापस रिकंस्ट्रक्ट कर दी, तो यार इसमें तो इंजीनियरिंग जैसी कैपेबिलिटीज है। आपके लिए वो मोमेंट कौन सा था, कब था, जब आपने रियलाइज किया कि मैं आईआईटी पवई से होते होते वहां आयोवा पहुंच जाऊं और पीएचडी कर डालूं?
Okay, so I'll just start a bit, from very childhood maybe. I think, I was always I used to like maths a lot. And I thought that I'll just teach maths, grade 10. That was my ambition. So as I am talking about at grade 7, right? That's the thing you can think of. And then when I went to 11th and 12th, then I also kind of kept that, and I told my father I want to do maths, but my father didn't agree. So of course, if the father didn't agree, I had to take a call. So anyway, I got in engineering, and then I thought, okay, it's good. But I think I actually always, look at all the students, and I feel I connect to them a lot, because the same way they have this ambition of, kind of earning big money and, going to the corporate world. So I had the same thing. So I was like, okay, I have to earn money and I have to do this. So what to do? So I went and joined in software long back in, 2002. So I think at that time we used to get a pretty handsome paycheck with that. And I was there for a while. But I'm also kind of a person, I think, I have one life, right? I have to do what I have to do. So I figured out that's not my cup of tea. I just thought that, okay, I can do good here, or maybe, I used to like that a lot. I have learned a lot on, software development, and then, your product design, and then operating system, so many things. But I just thought that that's not something I would like to do for my whole life. So I went to IIT Bombay because I actually wanted to go abroad, because my brother was there in San Diego. But then I didn't get much time to prepare for my GRE during the job, because the job was quite demanding. So I went to IIT Bombay, and I would say that's my turning point. It was just so lovely to be in IIT Bombay. I will never be able to express that 2 years of experience. All the professors were just so fantastic. They will not even tell you what to do. Just they be there, you talk to them, you know that you have to do something. So I would say that, that was really the moment, and I still remember our girls' hostel. I come from a very simple school from Bengal. I'm not used to meet so many, girl students so ambitious in general. So I would say that hostel was itself the, that changing your life sort of like everybody, we will aspire for going abroad, do something, whatever the dream we had, we'll pursue that. So that vibrant thing we had in IIT Bombay. And of course the lab I was in, I was working on some simulation of disease. I think back at that time it was very, very new, and I was extremely inspired by, working on healthcare with mathematics, which was something, I really wanted to pursue on, and so I landed up to University of Iowa.
लोपा मैम, वी स्टार्टेड दिस सेशन जब इंटरेक्शन हुआ था एक फार्मा इंडस्ट्री के मैनेजमेंट से, तब हमने एआई की चर्चा करी थी कि फार्मा में कैसे एआई का इस्तेमाल हो रहा है, कैसे वो नेसेसिटी बनता जा रहा है. अब आप ये बताओ, टेक्नोलॉजी एआई इस समय सारा काम कर रहा है, तो क्या वो ह्यूमन इंटरफेस, ह्यूमन इन्वॉल्वमेंट सिर्फ एथिक्स तक, रेगुलेटरी कंप्लायंस तक लिमिटेड रह गया है क्या, ऐसा मानो?
I would not at all agree with this, because I'll just give you a simple statistics that says that I'm sure you all know about all the age-related disease, right? Alzheimer and Parkinson's. And I don't know if you know the statistics. It's almost, even in India, it's going to be like, I don't know, maybe 9 million or something in the coming years, and which will be 1 in 150. Like every 150 person will have an Alzheimer or Parkinson's. And if you see those disease drug trial, I don't know if you know any of this. I mean, I was just looking at it few days back, and I found that 98% of the drugs in phase 3 failed for Alzheimer. You understand that the probability is 1 to get it failed after phase 3. So it goes through all the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and then with probability 1 it fails. And for the Parkinson's, that doesn't even go to phase 3. So I think looking at that statistics, I feel, AI is fantastic. I truly speaking, I don't know if any students are here from my class. I'm a big believer of AI, that it can bring that thing. But I think we had, I think we were nowhere close to solve the pharma problems really with AI, especially with the disease where we don't have very many good, medicines. I think we have to still collaborate with the AI and with the human, and I think human has to play a very big role here.
लोपा मैम, जब हम लोग वो डिबेट छेड़ते हैं टेक्निकल ब्रिलियंस वर्सेस ह्यूमन जजमेंट का, आपके घर में क्या जीतता है, डेटा या आपकी गट फीलिंग?
Okay, so I think I am a bit person going with data, I guess. But of course, at the end, we might use some gut feeling, but I think myself, I really go with some kind of, data. That way, I would say, I look at the statistics and the probability, because that's what I like.
So Lopa ma'am, you mentor some of the brightest students in this country. कैसे उनको आप बताते हो कि वाइज बनना ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है rather than being smart? मैं अपने केस में बताता हूँ, हमें तो वहीं तक सिखाया गया था कि टोमेटो भैया एक फ्रूट है, ये पता है आपको तो आप स्मार्ट हो. वाइज जब आपको फ्रूट सैलेड में ना डालो तो आप वाइज कहलाओगे. हमें तो उतना ही पता था, पर इनके लिए तो काफी आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा आपको. ये इक्वेशन कैसे सिखाते हो, कैसे इनको वाइज बनाने की कोशिश करते हो आप लोग?
Yeah, I think they are very smart. Nothing to teach
Because
really.
they've cracked IIT?
They already crossed the JEE Advanced. My son is in now going to grade 12. So I know, I used to teach him everything, right? Starting from ABCD to addition to logarithm, everything. But now, I think they'll cross the JEE Advanced. They'll be in one plane, right? So I think that's okay. But what I feel is, no matter what as I have figured out from everybody's talk, you just have so many things to learn, right? So I think, it's in IIT, what would come as wisdom, I think, is generally from your experience. When you work on something for a very long time, you have certain, wisdom that is kind of, coming into you. And if you go and talk about something else in the class, it just comes out. I think that is something interesting. I'll give a small example just from my IIT Bombay. We had a professor, in maths. And I remember, I think I used to get very bad grade in that course. And not only that, some of the diagrams that he will be putting on the board will be not very much well understood by me. And then I moved on and did something else. But when I was in US working on in a clinical setting, postdoc at WashU University, so there certain problems came, and then I don't know, those curves flashed to me, and I found they're really useful, and I used that, and I could solve the problem. So I think, you never know what will be useful in your life, and it might be quite appreciated by that. So I think in a class, the person who enters and teach, it's just their life, right? They are the Chalta Fit the book. That's what I tell. It's better than a book, right? They are a living book. So I think that is the source of the wisdom, I feel.
मैम अच्छा थोड़ा सा हट के पूछता हूँ, सबसे बड़ा मिथ आईआईटी प्रोफेसर्स को लेकर, अगर मुझसे कोई पूछता तो मैं बोलता पूरे टाइम केमिकल्स इक्वेशंस उसमें डूबी रहते होगे आप, पर कोई अनएक्सपेक्टेड कुछ हॉबी डेवलप करी हो आपने, कुछ अनएक्सपेक्टेड करा हो, घर जाके कुछ और करते हो, इसी में ही खोए रहते हो?
I used to like painting a lot, but I think I don't get any time anymore, because for me, it's my family, then coming all the way here, driving 70 kilometers every day. So I kind of lost on that hobby, but I used to paint, and I think it's just so good because, whatever you feel, you can express, and then it becomes somewhat your friend that way. I also love to read poem. I don't know if anybody is on Facebook with me, you will see that some 3 a.m. in the morning, I feel like I want to read some poem, and I'll find some poem and read it and find few lines, put it in the Facebook. That I love a lot. So, that's apart from my whatever class I take.
एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन. अच्छा, लुकिंग एट द रोड अहेड, मैं ये जानना चाहूंगा कि एआई और इंजीनियरिंग जब मर्ज कर रहे होंगे, व्हाट इज द वन पीस ऑफ अनकन्वेंशनल एडवाइस you would want to give them?
I don't have a slide to show. I actually was preparing one slide, but anyway.
For your classes tomorrow?
No, not for classes tomorrow. That's my favorite slide that I wanted to show to all the students. So actually what I feel AI is that with time, what will happen is, let's say we are sitting all together, right, working on something. We are all human beings, right now. So I visualize it this way, that, with time, what will happen, out of 10 people, there will be 2 robots, right? So there will be 8 human beings and 2 robots, right? So there will be a collaboration. There could be chatbots also. They would be agents, basically AI agents, like that. So this is going to be a collaboration between all those 8 person and those chatbots. And as you go with time, probably, out of 10, there will be 4, there could be 5 chatbots. So human will be a bit less and they will be more. But I always feel that the human will be always there, because it's going to be very, very difficult to touch to the human intelligence, because I'm not saying just by reading books. I work on neuroscience and I see all the neurons. Every day in my lab, we culture them. The network that we see is nowhere close to the artificial network, okay? So I just know that, it's not going to happen. So not from book or anything. I perform the experiments myself, and I see the network that is there in our brain is nowhere close to the artificial network that we read, that we again teach in the class. So I think it's going to take some time to reach there, and human has to be there. And as we see that the human has to take the last call anyway, the person needs to be really knowledgeable, because he has to assess how good AI is, right? So if you are not so smart, it will be very difficult to assess how good AI is. So, yeah, that's my...
Basically, thank you बताने के लिए कि अभी भी इंटेलिजेंस हमारे दोनों कान के बीच में ही है.
Yes, of course, it is there, with us. And I think, of course, it will just get few people as our collaborator. Let's say I'm collaborating with someone, right? So it's not that I'm not useful anymore, right? So it's the same thing. I'm collaborating with the chatbot, who is fantastic. We can work together, but that doesn't mean that, I'll not be using my brain or I'll not be useful. It's just, another person that I have got who is my friend, who is helping me.
ठीक बात है. वो कहते हैं ना, वो टेक्नोलॉजी इंजन है, लेकिन उसका स्टेयरिंग अभी भी हमारे पास ही है।
Yeah.
लोपा मैम, इतना फ्लुएंट सा इतना इजी बनाना, मुझे बोला गया था कि आईआईटी की एक केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट की प्रोफेसर से बातचीत करनी, वो भी इस टॉपिक में। मैं तो रात भर परेशान था। थैंक यू सो मच इतना इजी बनाने के लिए, इतना बढ़िया बनाने के लिए और हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए।
Thank you very much.
थैंक यू मैम। एनीथिंग दैट आई एम मिसिंग ऑन, यू वांट टू ऐड?
No, I'm fine. I think you covered everything that we have, yeah. And thanks for your patience being here before the dinner.
यस, थैंक्स फॉर योर पेशेंस। काफी लंबा हो गया और मैं तो कह ही रहा था सुबह से आप लोग बहुत बिजी हो गए, खूब सारे लेक्चर्स होंगे, है ना?
Thank you, students. Thank you so much for being so patient.